So we are going to discuss about exponent formulas. So first of all, what are the exponential formulas we will have? So like a की power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to, we can write it a, and after that we can write m plus n. So this is our first formula. So the second formula that we are going to discuss is a, if anybody will write a की power n the power m, so this is equal to a की power m into n. Okay, the third formula is, so like if I have written over here a b the power n, so we can write it like a की power n into b की power n. Okay, so another formula, fourth formula that we are going to discuss, a की power minus n is equal to 1 upon a की power n. So we'll move to the next one. So if I have write like a divided by b की power minus n, we can write it like a की power we can write it b की power b divided by a की power n. So why we write this one? So let's have a discussion about little bit on this formula. I am talking about this formula. I am just rewriting this formula over here. If I have written like a to the power b की power minus n, so this is equal to 1 upon, with the help of this formula we can write it a upon b की power n. So now what happened, this will be, this denominator will go to the numerator, so this will be की power n upon a की power n, and we can write it like b upon a की power n. Okay, so now let's move to the another formula. If anybody have written like a की power n divided by a की power m, it we can write it a की power n minus m. Okay, and it can also write like this 1 upon a की power m minus n. So why we have written it like this way? So sometime let's have rewrite this formula. So if I am writing this formula in form of a की power a to the power m, this we can write it a to the power minus n. Okay, so the formula, first formula that we know, it says if we have the base same, so this will be added. So we have m plus minus n. So when we write this one, so it will be a to the power, so we can write like a to the power a m minus n. So we derived this formula. So what I'm trying to say, this formula. Okay, fine. So now we'll move to the another formulas. So the another formula we will have here, if anybody will write like a to the power 0, so a to the power 0, it is equal to 1, where we have the condition is a not equal to 0. Okay, so if you will, anybody will say 0 to the power 0, so it is not equal to 1, so that's not true. So that's why I have written that a not equal to 0. Okay, so now next formula, so let's have the numbering over here, 5 formula, then we have 6, this is 7th, this is 8th formula, so we are writing it 8 over here. So let me just write over here 8. So this is 8th formula. So 9th formula for this one is 9th formula, I am just writing here a divided by b to the power n. So we can write it a to the power n and b to the power n. Okay, now the 10th formula, these are all the derivation of this formula only, a to the power a की power minus n. So we can write it a की power n. Correct? Any doubt till now? If one more formula, till now we are taking that this will be we have written like a to the power m upon n. Okay, so we can write this a to the power 1 upon n की power m. We can write like this. So if we are writing like this, so we can write like a to the power m and 1 upon n. We can write like this also, correct? Both are same because multiplication is follow the commutative property. So these are the we have the some 11 formulas of our this exponential that we discussed. So if you want to ask any question, any doubt from any one of them, you can tell me. Clear?